Alright, hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Tuesday, 25th of November. So again, we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so this is the 4-hourly chart. So what happened is that price has already touched the previous low at the price of 4.2355, rebounded off, and right now you're seeing a resistance at a almost touching the previous almost touching the bottom of the previous rising trend channel, as you can see here, and it is also very close to the retracement level of the 0.2%. And the thing is that right now we can see that there is already a reversal candle followed by confirmation. Stochastic has suggested oversold as well, and therefore, in fact, right now is actually it is a valid trade to go for the shorts, like right now. Alright, so if you're gonna enter this trade, you might just want to place your stop loss somewhere at the price of 1.2470. And the first level, of course, we shall look at is the previous low at 1.23, probably at a few more pips, 1.2358, for example, and following will be 1.2297, and for the final level will be 1.2216. Alright, that is for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we shall take a look at the Kiwi against the US dollar. So the head and shoulder that I have mentioned in the previous video has finally formed. Alright, let me just replot this formation again. Right, great. So the second shoulder has formed already, and price has begun to fall, and right now it is about to break below, or in fact it has already broken below the neckline already. So we are expecting price to continue to fall further. And for the first level, I'll just have to pause for a while. Alright, so for the first level is that with the Fibonacci expansion, I have plotted that the price of 0.7701 is the first level to look at, or if you want to be a little bit safe, that would be 0.7722. Alright, of course, we are also expecting price to fall even further to the previous low at 0.7659. Alright, so if you want to go for this trade with a breakout strategy with pending sell, price should have triggered as well, and right now we are seeing price is trying to retrace a little. Maybe just zoom in a little bit. Alright, this is a 1-hourly chart. So you may just want to wait for price to retrace a little, maybe to the 15-minute chart. Just plot a trend line. So maybe when it touches the price of 0.7840, you may want to go for a re-entry if you have yet to enter this trade. Alright. Next, we shall take a look at the pound against the US dollar. So price was pretty much little change, still moving into consolidation, and I'm actually expecting price to retrace even further, or what I mean is that it will gain and retrace further for this major trend itself. I'm waiting for the price at the retracement level of the 0.2%, price of 1.5821. Well, and if you were to fall from here, then I'll look at the final exhaustion level at 1.5547. So for this pair, we just have to wait. Yeah, we just have to wait for price to move to either way, or if not, if you want to trade a intraday for this, if you want to go for a long, then you might want to wait for price to touch the trend line, wait for a trade setup, and you might want to enter this trade. But that's for intraday. So yes, that's for the pound against the US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the yen. Price has actually fell a little bit this morning during the speech by Bank of Japan Kuroda. So zooming into the 1 hourly chart, I'm waiting for price to fall further to the support level of 117.51. Alright, and if it breaks below this level, now I'll look for the price of 117.03, somewhere to 117 flat, to look for a opportunity to go for a long and ride this major trend, because end of the day I'm still expecting price to appreciate further all the way to the price of 119.72. Right, they'll take a look again at this overall trend itself. Alright, so I'm done with the 4 major currency pairs. Just want to touch on other currency pairs. First, we have the Australia against the US dollar. Back to the 4 hourly chart. Alright, like I said yesterday, there was a symmetrical triangle, as you can see over here. So price right before it touches the top of the symmetrical triangle, it has already fell to the bottom, touches the bottom of the symmetrical triangle. As you can see, there is a reversal candle over here at the bottom with confirmation, and this might validate a long trade for this currency pair. And if you were to enter this trade, you might want to place a stop loss at the price of 0.8543. Now, of course, the take profit level would be all the way to the top of the symmetrical triangle. Alright, so that's for the Australia against the US dollar. We have the Australia against New Zealand. Is that it has also about to reach the bottom and it begin to rebound. Alright, zooming into the 1 hourly charts. Well, there isn't really a clear trade setup over here, but what we know is that it has reached the bottom of the whole range itself. Zooming out to the day 1 chart, it will be more clear. Alright, as you can see over here. So right now it's at the bottom, is beginning to rebound. So if you want to go for this trade, well, possible. And of course, the take profit level, the first level we shall take note of is 1.100, or rather 1.1 flat, and then all the way to the top of the range, price of 1.1290. Alright, anyway, so stochastic has suggested oversold as well, so this could still be a valid one, just that there's no clear reversal candle. Alright, and back to dollar CAD, is that price has actually tried to appreciate, but then it is still traded within a falling trend channel, and we're seeing exhaustion right over here right now, and therefore we are still expecting price to fall further, because we are actually still waiting for price to touch the retracement level of 30.2% at the price of 1.1142 before we go for a long. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the CAD. And oh yes, for the euro against the Australia dollar, like I mentioned yesterday, it touches the bottom, forming a range, and it appreciated all the way, and right now we are seeing a resistance at the retracement level of 61.8%, price of 1.4479. And if we zoom into 1 hourly chart, we are seeing there's a reversal followed by confirmation, and well, price might begin to fall from here, because end of the day, if we are to look at the overall trend, we are still waiting for price to fall further. Alright, this is a day 1 chart. Do take note that price has been resisted at the retracement level of 0.2%, price of 1.4576 for the 4th time already, and therefore we might not expect price to appreciate back to the same level, or rather what we are seeing right now is a retracement back to 61.8% retracement level, and from here price might just fall further. Alright, so that is for the euro against Australia dollar. Well, that's all for today, and thank you for watching. So I'll see you again.